Hello everyone. I just finished replacing the latch on this Pelican Air 1535. It had broken off on my last flight. I noticed it at baggage claim. It wouldn't latch. So here's where the break was. You can see that. There's two cracks on each side. It wouldn't come out. So when I went to replace it, I found a couple videos that described how to do it. Pelican actually has a pretty good video where they talk about using a pin. Before I did that, I wanted to try a couple other methods. I used both a vise and a hammer and one of the new pins and some other like nails and things to try to hit them through. It didn't work. And then I tried to use a vise to push the pins through. That didn't work as well. So in the end, I just ended up using this awl and hit it through. On the new pins, there's two sides. There's one that's smooth and one that's not. And the one that's not is what gets stuck in the plastic and keeps it from coming out. When I hit mine through, I started hitting out the wrong side. Once I realized it, rather than reversing, I just kind of committed to it and kept going, and that ended up being a mistake because I had to bend the whole broken latch out in order to get it out. But the new one went in fine and works pretty good. I bought the new latches on Amazon. Came with a pack of two. The quality looks good. There are differences in the texture on the latch, on the plastic, as well as some of the like numberings on them. So I don't think it's an original part, but it seems like it'll work pretty good. Thanks.